Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0651 indicates a malfunction in the sensor reference voltage B circuit. This error occurs within the powertrain control module PCM, which plays a crucial role in monitoring and managing various engine components for optimal performance. It specifically relates to the malfunctioning of reference voltage used by the various sensors connected to the PCM. When this code is triggered, it is essential to perform a thorough inspection, as the voltage instability can affect multiple engine parameters and sensors, leading to performance issues. Understanding how this circuit functions is critical. The PCM supplies reference voltage to sensors like the accelerator pedal position (APP) sensor and the AC pressure sensor. If these sensors receive inadequate or no voltage, they will not function properly, resulting in the engine control systems being unable to operate efficiently. This presentation will cover a step-by-step troubleshooting guide, facilitating effective diagnostics and timely repairs. The DTC P0651 refers specifically to a malfunction of the sensor reference voltage B circuit. This malfunction primarily involves the reference voltage supplied to various critical sensors, which play a significant role in reading parameters necessary for optimal engine control. Components likely affected by this issue include the accelerator pedal position APP sensor, AC pressure sensor, exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve, and sensors within the continuously variable transmission (CVT), among others. These components are often located in proximity to the powertrain control module (PCM), which controls their functioning. Proper voltage is essential for the sensors to relay accurate information to the PCM, enabling it to make necessary adjustments to maintain engine performance. If this voltage isn't functioning as required, it can lead to performance degradation or trigger other fault codes, necessitating quick troubleshooting and resolution. When diagnostics lead to DTC P0651, several possible causes must be considered. Firstly, poor connections at the sensors can lead to instability in reference voltage, which would generate this trouble code. Ensuring that all connections are secure and free from corrosion is crucial. Secondly, loose terminals at the powertrain control module (PCM) may disrupt the electrical flow, causing malfunctions in sensor readings. Another critical aspect to investigate is the wiring, specifically the VCC or voltage-carrying conductors. Damage to these wires can produce erratic voltage levels, ultimately leading to code P0651 being triggered. Conducting a thorough visual and physical inspection of all related components, especially connections and wiring, is an essential first step in addressing this error. Following these leads provides a systematic approach to root cause determination. The symptoms associated with DTC P0651 can greatly vary, but generally result in engine performance and efficiency issues. Drivers may notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating an underlying issue that requires attention. In particular, the check engine light may be triggered, alerting the driver that a diagnostic code has been stored, including P0651. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit performance issues, such as hesitation during acceleration or overall sluggishness. This performance degradation often arises from incorrect sensor readings fed to the PCM. Drivers may also notice reduced fuel efficiency as a result of the PCM unable to optimize fuel delivery and air intake effectively. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to timely diagnostics, ultimately assisting in preserving the vehicle's reliability. To begin the troubleshooting process for DTC P0651, the first step is to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This initial step helps the vehicle systems to initialize and prepare for diagnostics. After the systems are activated, The next step is to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which is essential for resetting any stored faults. Following this, one should check for both pending and confirmed DTCs again using the HDS. This will help determine if DTC P0651 remains present. If the DTC is confirmed again, it indicates a consistent failure within the sensor reference circuit. If not, it may suggest an intermittent issue, necessitating further investigation into possible poor connections or loose terminals associated with critical components, which should be the focus thereafter. The second troubleshooting step for DTC P0651 involves powering the vehicle down completely. Start by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode, which ensures that all electronics and systems are inactive. Following this, it is necessary to disconnect several key connectors that relate to various sensors. The APP sensor, 6P connector, AC pressure sensor, 3P connector, EGR valve, 5P connector, and CVT-specific sensors, such as the CVT-driven pulley pressure sensor and the torque converter turbine speed sensor, among others. After all relevant connectors are disconnected, the power should be turned back to on mode, at which point the diagnostic trouble codes should again be cleared with the HDS. Finally, the system should be checked once again for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0651 appears again, further investigation is warranted into potential issues with either the specific sensors or wiring. In this third step for troubleshooting DTC P0651, the focus shifts to reconnecting the previously disconnected parts one at a time. This systematic reconnection helps to identify if any specific component is shorting the sensor reference voltage B circuit. With each reconnection, the mechanic should use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for the presence of pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0651 reappears upon reconnection of a specific part, that particular component is likely the faulty one and should be replaced as it is causing the malfunction. On the other hand, if the DTC does not reappear after a part is reconnected, it suggests that the issue might not reside in that specific sensor, but may lie in the connections or wiring related to other sensors still needing inspection. This step is crucial for pinpointing the root cause of the malfunction. The fourth troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0651 focuses on the vehicle's wiring associated with the circuit. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode to ensure no systems are operational during the process. The next step involves using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to jump the SCS service check signal line, facilitating testing conditions for the connectors. Following this, it will be necessary to disconnect the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, connectors A and B, which are typically labeled as 51P. With these connectors disconnected, continuity testing should be performed between the individual terminal of the PCM and body ground for each respective component that was previously disconnected in Step 2. This will help verify if a short exists in the VCC, Voltage Common Collector, wiring. If continuity is found, repairs to the short in the wire are required. However, if continuity is absent, further actions such as updating the PCM software or substituting a known good PCM should be considered. Upon completion of all troubleshooting steps and necessary repairs related to DTC P0651, it is crucial to verify that the repair was successful. Start this verification process by ensuring that the DTC is cleared using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After clearing the DTC, conduct a test drive to evaluate the performance of the vehicle under typical driving conditions. During this test drive, it is important to monitor for any symptoms previously associated with the fault, such as warning lights or performance issues. Successful resolution will result in no reappearance of DTC P0651 and a return to expected engine functionality. This final verification serves not only to confirm the repair, but also to provide assurance that the problem has been resolved, fostering confidence in the vehicle's reliability moving forward. Preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring that issues leading to DTC P0651 do not arise again in the future. Regular checks of the vehicle's electrical system should be conducted to ensure all components, including wires and connectors, are functioning optimally. This includes inspecting all relevant connectors for signs of corrosion or wear that could disrupt electrical flow. Performing continuity checks on critical wiring, particularly VCC circuits, will help identify potential faults before they escalate into serious issues. Regular maintenance schedules can also incorporate cleaning of connectors and terminals to prevent the buildup of debris that might obstruct voltage transmission. By integrating these preventive measures, vehicle owners can prolong the lifespan of electrical components and promote a smooth, trouble-free driving experience. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0651 requires a systematic approach to troubleshooting that begins with verifying the issue using the Honda Diagnostic System. It is crucial to inspect and ensure secure connections and wiring integrity for all involved sensors related to the reference voltage circuit. The coding points to potential faults stemming from poor connections, damaged components, or shorted wiring, and tackling each possible cause methodically allows for accurate root cause identification. Monitoring vehicle symptoms closely during testing can aid in assessing the overall functionality of the affected systems. Following detailed troubleshooting and implementing preventive maintenance enhances reliability and prolongs the life of the vehicle's components, contributing to a smoother and more efficient driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.